So Zach's doing a little bit of vlogging on my phone because we haven't got his little camera today.
Back side.
Ah, a duck under the tree. Oh, there's the goat. Look, can you see the goat in there?
Oh yeah.
Hey! That I can't see the screen. The light's so bright on it. It's actually because the sun's trying to break out a little bit. Hello. So stubborn. You're so stubborn. Right, I'm zooming out. Zach's found another little house. So I've got the goats. Ah, there's a brown one hiding down there and a black one. I don't know if you can see them, guys. I can't see my screen at the moment, so hopefully I'm aiming in the right place. So we've got goats. Elvis! Yes! And we've got Goldie, Harry, and Elvis. We're showing your new house? They're cool. So we've got that little one that kids can climb in and out of. We've got this one.
That's that was my house, but I don't want it anymore.
Oh, and this is Zach's house with the stepping logs because they're not stones. Hello in Zach's house. It's very nice in your house.
Yeah, that's your house.
Oh, loads of flies. There's a mushroom seat thing. God, these twigs stick out everywhere, guys. Like, you literally have to be careful that they're not going to bloody poke you in the eye or something. We don't want this. Kids! They want something, then they don't want it. Now I've no hand to do anything because the strap on my bag has broke. So, bag, normally the shoulder strap, so now I'm on handles. Handles. And yeah, and a new house. Oh my god. Oh, I hate bags. Most women love bags. I hate bags. Carrying things. That's a cool house.
Mum,
Whoa, look at your new house.
that's pretty cool.
That is awesome. I'm gonna have this one. Because look, you can come in. I'm gonna squeeze it inside. There's no spiders. Hey! It's my new house, and look, I've got my little inside here bit. I'm not going there because I'll get stuck.
That part.
Yeah.
This is
I want to leave my house.
Huh?
I'm leaving.
Hi.
Oh, yeah.
Can we explore all these houses?
Yeah, I think you should.
Nothing near.
No? What about this one? That one's got. That one's got one for flowers.
Definitely nothing.
I would have loved an outdoor, like a garden, Wendy house thing. Got some more goats here. Look at this tree. It's really weird, like the roots, like twirling up around it. Hey goat! Hey goat! Goat! What's your name? Let's see what your name is. Oh, Toffee and Cream. That's funky. Toffee! 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 Cream! Cream's hiding. Toffee! 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 Don't be ignorant. Oh my god. Oh, you got the twig master. Twig master. Cream!
Huh?
Cream! Oh, she turned her head. Hello, Cream. Come here, Cream. Come on. Cream.
Why do animals not like me? Oh, go away, you.
Oh my goodness.
Almost broke the camera, didn't it?
Oh my god, you break the camera, you're gonna...
Huh?
It's a lot of money. I wonder if they've still got that twig house thing. I'm trying to spot it. Oh, guys. Look up haunted places in the UK, but preferably in Kent. And they can be like castles and buildings and things like that. Have a look up. If there's any that you spot that you like, let us know in the comments below, and we will check it out, and hopefully at some point soon we'll pick one and we'll head there and have a look around. Because obviously with us not very being very well, and me, and obviously with my chesty cough, I haven't been able to do a lot of walking. This is the first day I've done the most walking. We want to get out and do something, you know, so I love like haunted, paranormal things and old buildings that might have, you know, a bit of history and maybe a bit of paranormal things going on. I love all that. But I mean, even if you don't want to look for haunted, guys, just look for places in Kent that are old that you'd like us to explore, and we will head out, guys, and show you. Most of the places these days are quite expensive. You going in there?
Where?
In that one?
No.
Well, it's cool in there.
There.
But obviously, you know, at some point we'll try our best to get out and show you guys some of the old Britain, because I know a lot of you are very interested, and obviously a lot of you that are not from the UK find it very interesting. I'm gonna have a look in here. Look. Focus. Thank you. Cool, what's in there? It's like a tree house on the ground. Whoa, look in there. That is awesome. We've got a little stool to sit on, and one there. Cool, man. Whee, I'm filming.
Where's the picture, Mum?
I did take a picture. Oh, no more.
Where?
Right, this is why I won't go into places like this, because that's spider webs.
Only get the big back.
They're doing a lot of hold on, guys, let me put my bag back on. Yeah,
Why are we going back inside?
we will in a minute. Not that there's much in there, only a cafe and like a small garden centre. Approach quietly. Zach, that sign says you've got to be quiet. That's it. Hopefully the rare lady species of bird won't see us. It's creaky in here. Look. We got some holes. I'm going to stick it through the hole. Look. Can you see her? That is a rare species of bird, guys. Have you ever seen anything like it? I'm just kidding. Anyway, Zach, you and your twig is getting on my nerves.
Huh?
You and your twig is getting on my nerves. Keep standing on it. Did you see it, Zach?
Yeah.
He's just like, yeah, I don't know what you're on about, Mum. But yeah. So we've got a load more. Yeah, we've got to head back this way. So guys, I really don't know what I'm going to do for dinner tonight. I'm going to wait to see what time Andrew gets in from work. Yeah, well, we're heading back to the
Place.
yeah, look, you see that lady with the owl on her?
Yeah.
Wow. That'd be cool to do. Found a feather?
Yeah, look.
Oh, let me see. Show our kiwis. Wow, look at that. It's just a pigeon feather, I think. Definitely have to wash your hands after.
What?
Oh, because they carry germs and diseases. It's on the floor now. Yeah, so we're going to wait for Andrew to get home.
How are we going to get there with a more
When you're all tired?
Yeah, and I'm hot.
You're hot. Take your coat off. And put it in my bag, yeah? Okay, back in a minute, guys. Right, guys, just put Zach's coat away. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for Andrew to get home, and then we might go out and get something to eat, because I'm not really fancying what I had planned for dinner today. So yeah, we'll see. I'm kind of fancying the Chippy, I think. Get something from there. Yeah, I was going to do sausage and mash today, but I just can't be bothered, and I don't fancy sausage.
Darcy, come and see the kangaroos.
Wallabies. Hopefully the goat thing will be back out, but I don't know if he will be. So we've been slow walking, but my chest and the breathing still a bit not hasn't come back properly yet, so I'll get a bit of yeah, he's out. He's so fluffy, guys, and he smells. Oh, oi, 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 come here, come here, come here. You call him, Zach.
Come here.
He's having a scratch.
Come here, lamb.
A lamb? He's big and
Mary had a little lamb.
furry.
Little lamb. Little lamb. Mary had a little lamb.
And that wasn't it.
Then she put them back into the cave.
Doesn't have a name or anything for him, this one. Oh. I think all the animals have gone mad today.
Yeah.
He's ramming the little hut thing.
Why is he having his own hut? Mum.
I don't know. His horns might be bugging him. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Right, anyway, we'll head back up now, yeah?
Yeah, first the twist bar.
Yeah, you just want to look at toys, you do.
Yeah, because I love them.
I know.
Can we, Mum?
So what was your favourite thing today, Zach?
The goat down there.
That one? Mary's little lamb. You're funny. Right, guys, we're about 2 minutes from the garden centre, so I'll put the camera back on when we get there.
Oh, wait.
Yep. What one's your favourite, Zach?
None of them.
None? Oh, I think Nemo's my favourite.
No, Mama. This one's my favourite. This tank here.
Well, because it's got the ship in it.
Yeah, because I like this.
He's a big one, isn't he?
Trying to get him out.
Trying to get him out?
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, it's like a tiger one, look. Stripy.
Nemo! Baby!
Baby Nemo. You need to find Dory.
I'm not going for
No. So guys, we have finished at the garden centre and done the nature trail. We hope you all have enjoyed it. Yeah, luckily it didn't rain, so it was nice, wasn't it? Yeah. He's a bit grumpy because we didn't get a toy. But we can't always get a toy, and it's so expensive in these places, even just for like, you know, some bubbles or something. You know, you're looking at a lot more money than you would pay a normal store. So I refuse, you know, to buy stuff normally from these places because I think it's just out of order that they have to put the prices up. But we'll get something another day. My car needs cleaning, guys. It's super filthy. It hasn't been cleaned for like a month, maybe a little more. Yeah, so I don't know where to go and get it cleaned. I'm not sure yet. Are you gonna wash it for Mummy?
what, Mom?
Are you gonna wash my car?
No.
So unfair. Don't drink it all because you need a wee. Anyway guys, come up for 1 o'clock, so we're going to head home. We're going to have some lunch and chill out for a little while, I think. So we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Anyway, leave us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do subscribe to us, let us know in the comments and we will subscribe back to you guys. Yeah, we'll see you soon. Mwah.